You can also do your regressions on Desmos. So the first thing you need to do in Desmos is create a table. And I've already made it here, but just so you know, you're going to click on this plus sign up here. So normally when you want to add a graph, you click on this and you would, put in your graph. But instead you're going to click on this plus sign, and instead of an expression, you're going to say add a table. And it's going to just give you a blank table. You put in your values and it's going to click them. So I'm going to get rid of this because I've already put in this because I didn't figure you wanted to watch me put in all this data. So that's your first step. You're going to click on this plus, you're going to add a table, and you're going to create your data. You will need to get this to, you'll want to come over here and you're going to want to get it within this. So like for instance, this is only 0 to 18, so I went and changed this to ones. This one I knew was in the thousands. I changed that. So this wrench will let you change it. There is, I believe, a way to go zoom fit as well. Hold on a second. We're going to come here in a minute. I was looking here. No, I don't want to delete all. Done. That's how to clear it. I think there might be a way to do it, but usually what I tend to do is just click on this and I play with this until I want it. But like this zoom square is going to come in, so you can play with this to get it. So make sure you can see the graph. So that's your first thing. You get it up there, you've seen the graph. Now you want to create the regression. So you're going to click on this right here, which is add regression. And when you add a table, you'll have this option, okay? And then this here is a linear regression, but you can pick whatever you want. So for instance, we were doing exponentials, we were doing logarithmic. Those are all right there. Then when you do this, it's going to give you the equation just like it did there, and then right here is those R values that you need, those diagnostic values. So all of those are right there for you. So you can see here, this is your linear regression for that number 5. That wasn't the best choice, but that was certainly one of the choices. I think it will. This one won't work. The reason this one won't work, by the way, change this to like 0.001, and then it will work. But I can look at this and know this is not a logarithmic regression. It's going the wrong way. You can see it's a 0.3. But then it will give you one, but it can't do 0. That's what it's flipping out about. So you have to give it an almost 0. If you put in the full numbers, the 2000, 2001, then it would work. But we were told in the problem to use 0 through 1. So if you're having trouble with the linear regression, that is why.